You are attending computer coding class. Please like and subscribe my channel.
Welcome. Today we will learn how to convert a nested list into a single list. In this program we will learn three methods. First method is general traditional method, and second we will perform a short method, that is a single line method to convert a nested list into a single list, and in third we will learn how to delete duplicate values and sort a list. This is also a single line code. Let's start coding. I'm using Anaconda Spider as an editor. First of all, we will create a nested list. The name of list is nList. In this list, I'm creating so many sublists that contain numeric values. Next, I will print this list and run the program. In output window, it is showing a nested list. Now we will learn how to convert this nested list into a single list. So let's start our first method, that is general method. In this method, we will use nested for loop. In outer for loop, first of all, we will extract sublist from our nList. Then in next sub for loop, we will extract our elements from sublist, and then we will append those elements into a blank list. This blank list name is also list. Here we are using append function for inserting values in our new list, and then we will print our new single list. Now run the program. In output window you can see a single list in place of nested list, but this method takes so much time because here we are using nested for loop as well as we are creating a blank list. So in place of this time consuming process, now we will learn how to perform this operation in a single line. In this method we will use sum function. There is no need of creating any for loop. Just we will write sum function and pass two parameters. First one is our nested list and second one is a blank list, and it will perform the same operation. Now run the program and see the output. In output window it is showing a single list, same as our previous for loop. Next, what happens when we have duplicate values in our nList and we also want to sort the single list? Then now we will learn this operation. You all know that set is a construct that does not hold any duplicate value. So first of all, we will convert our single list into set. So here I am using set function and enclose our sum function with set function. Next, we will convert this set into a list using sorted function. Sorted function convert set into list as well as it will sort our all the elements. It is also a single line code. And now run the program and see the output. This is the output where all elements are sorted and there is no duplicate values. Thank you. I am closing my tutorial for today.